Grace Bakes. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make my vegan fruit oatmeal baked in the oven. You'll want to start by preheating your oven to 175 degrees on a fan assisted setting. Then you'll want to make a flaxseed egg. Now to do this you'll want 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, and to this you're going to add 2.5 tablespoons of water. Now give this a stir until the water and the flaxseed have combined, and it looks like this. Then set aside for 5 minutes and it will turn into a thick sort of gelatinous texture. Now grab a medium-sized mixing bowl and you're going to add your dry ingredients. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of rolled oats, and to this you'll want to add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Now add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now give this a little stir and measure out 1 cup of blueberries, 1/2 cup of strawberries and 1/2 cup of raspberries, all frozen. Then grab a casserole dish and you'll want to pour 1/2 of the oat mixture in here, evenly distribute it and tip 1/2 of the frozen fruits into it and just scatter them around. And again repeat the process by putting the oats on top and putting the frozen berries on top of that. For the wet ingredients, you'll need 2 cups of plant-based milk. I prefer to use almond milk, and you can find my recipe for my homemade almond milk somewhere up here. So that's 2 cups of almond milk goes into this mixing bowl. And to this you're going to add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or sunflower oil, depending on what you have. Now add a splash of vanilla extract. And lastly, add your flaxseed egg that we made in the beginning of this recipe. Just give it a little stir with a spatula. And I'm not sure if you can see, but it's become rather gelatinous and has thickened up considerably. So tip that into here and stir this to combine. Now pour this over the oat and fruit mixture. Now bake this in the oven for between 35 to 45 minutes until it's golden brown and just set. I've now taken the oatmeal bake out of the oven and it's lovely. It smells so aromatic, it's gorgeous. Let it cool completely before transferring to the fridge, and it will store in the fridge for about 4 to 5 days. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe, and for more recipes make sure you subscribe to my channel, the link will be right here, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!